So I'm Ash Cook. I'm a visual artist and an improvising musician from Bangor, but I've been working here in Llandudno with the Creative Learning Centre, and we're about halfway through a 10-week programme which is part of the Umbrella Against the Rain project, delivering arts and health interventions, supporting well-being, strengthening mental health, and just having a really good time and making some bright artwork.
The best days are days like these for both staff and for service users. Seeing all the individuals that attend the service, being enabled to express themselves freely and creatively, with the support of an artist like Ash. The overall effect and benefits of these sessions is that the group have learned, long-lasting skills, as have I.
Painting, playing.
I like drawing and colouring and everything else. I said I can't do anything. Now I can. Yeah. Get you out of the house. Yeah, interesting. Yeah, I like it.
Ashley and a wheel.
Painting and drawing and the pictures and doing the drawing and then we're drawing this F on music and I like here.
I like art too. I like painting. I like drawing too. And it's more, I like patterns, like we did those patterns before the morning. These patterns of in circles and something that look like fireworks of it.
My name's Caroline. I'm the artist working with Umbrella Against the Rain. Umbrella Against the Rain has funded me to run 6-week sessions at Betsi at the Memorial Hall. Every week we go outdoors and we spend some time near the river, in the woods, connecting with nature, and then we go back inside and we create artwork as a response to that experience, particularly about how nature supports our health and well-being.
It's just such a calming environment. You just come, it's like that one time a week where you're sort of like, you can be free to express yourself, get closer to nature, and with people that are just, who have gone through something, but it's just that kind of unspoken, like you can just be there.
It's just a sort of time away from all the stresses and strains of whatever life throws at you. Having the walk by the river and just sort of closing your eyes and listening to all the sounds, the bird sounds and sound of the river, and it's just very, very relaxing.
We've never seen sessions like this before, including nature and art, and it was just so nice because we're already in such a beautiful area, but it's nice to get closer to it.
Joshua Tree da ni wedi cael yn ariannu hyn yma gan Cysgod Rhag y Glaw.
Hi, I'm Nadia and I am here today at the Joshua Tree. Participants usually love the element of surprise when they start experimenting. They arrive thinking they can't really do anything creative, and then they start being playful and they'll go away with a lovely stash of papers that they've made from scratch.
I find coming to the wellbeing sessions here has been really amazing. It gives you some headspace. So if life's pressured and you're worried about lots of things, it's often the last thing you do is to make time for yourself. And when you come here, it's fantastic because you get to spend time with other families and also be creative and find new ways to express yourself. I always thought I wasn't creative, And yet I've found it's been really helpful for me because I've learned I can do things I didn't think I could do. And then when you go home afterwards, it makes you think about trying other things as well that are good for your well-being.
My name is Jude Wood and I'm a visual artist, and I've been commissioned to work on Umbrella Against the Rain with the Carters group. This is a group with a sort of lived experience of mental health issues, and we have been visiting the archives in Rhythm Jail to look at sort of 150 years of history of the Denby Mental Hospital. But we're just feeling our way to see how people respond to the material, what they would like to do with it, see how people work with this material and then are able to process it using the arts.
Enw fi ydi Elin a dwi'n cerddor lawrydd, a dwi wedi dod heddiw yma i wneud un o'r sesiynau cerdd dwi'n wneud efo'r criw yma yn Bwrdd. Un o'r pethau da ni'n licio wneud fel rhan o'r sesiynau yma ydy mynd rownd a gofyn i pawb pa can fysa nhw'n hoffi cyfrannu'r grŵp ar y dydd yna. Dwi'n meddwl mae hynna'n ffordd dda iawn o wneud yn siŵr bod pawb wedi cael llais nhw wedi cael eu clywed yn rhan o'r sesiynau, a mae o'n rili hyfryd gael yr amrywiaeth o cerddoriaeth mae pawb yn hoffi, ond mae o'n dod â ni gyd at ein gilydd, a mae'n ffordd rili da o dod i nabod personoliaeth pawb hefyd. Os wyt ti'n mewn un fath a fi. Hey, diolch Sian!
I'm Alan.
Sian.
Like the music, like joining in, taking part.
Singing.
Yeah, singing. Doing karaoke and all kinds.
Yeah.
You learn a lot from it, don't you? Yeah.
Out.
Independence, isn't it?
Yeah.
I like the ocean drums.
Songs.
My name's Duncan and I like coming to Bwrdd to do the music sessions with Ellen. It's quite good for me to come here and play for them as well, so it's good fun.
I want to go find arweiniad
Rhyw enw I yn Carol, dwi'n dod i sesiynau yn Bwrdd. Dwi'n licio dod i sesiynau yn Bwrdd because mae o'n bwstio'n mood fi a mae'n helpio fi i smailio ac i fod yn fi hun.